shit's stupid.
It's like my fucking ear.
¿Qué onda, compita? ¿Cómo se escucha? Stop.
What's up, YouTube? So today we got a cool video. We're gonna install some headers on the truck. See how it sounds. We already got the Whipple on there, as you guys know, of course. Then we got the Y pipe. We got the ceramic coated JBA headers. The Y pipe, like I said. And install it on the truck. Oh, there they are.
Wanna get next to a big ass tree, fool?
What are you acting brand new for?
Not even, dog.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? You got me some fries?
Yeah.
That's it?
You
What
know,
else is right
we
there?
got you.
No, I got you some wax
We got
too.
you double fries.
Oh,
Double
that's too much.
fries,
That's too
fool.
much. I'm not a double I forgot. Yeah. I'm lying.
Yeah. Hold this. Make sure it doesn't fall.
Hold this. Oh, they're cold now. They were hot earlier.
I'm about to burn out the Kia floor here in front of Dutch.
Alright, guys. Henry just jumped right into it. Didn't get no time to start telling you what we're pulling off. Got trap over there. Kitchen.
Take off the little one.
It's right over there by the fridge.
Take off the little one.
It's by the fridge.
By the fridge?
Yeah. Alright, guys, so we got this one off already. It'll be hard to look at. We're gonna have completely weird angles today. Oh, and there's a nut. No homo. My bad. Alright, so got this one off. Got that bolt out right here somewhere. Right here. Okay, let's get these three out. Got head mechanic on it. Be done in less than 5 minutes. Head mechanic. Wiggle and jiggle. Gotta wiggle that thing. Got it. Oh, here it comes. Got it. Yeah. Okay, we gotta move this. It's hitting on this. Look. This one. Yeah. So we gotta move this. Move this out the way. Yeah. So we can move this whole thing.
Nigga, you almost cut my finger off.
Nah, not even close.
It's out, guys.
All right, we got the Y pipe off. We're gonna start it with just the headers, stock headers. What is it gonna be like when it gets to gets those on there? Just wait. I don't see why not. I don't need it. Y pipe out. One header off. Gotta get the other header off. Put this header off. We're getting somewhere. Oh, real men work with their hands. Oh, that one's in.
Alright.
Alright, there's another one. Oh, there's one in.
That's what real working man look like.
Yeah, well, I'm not small enough to fit in there, fool. I don't care, I got all clothes on. Grandpa is a supervisor.
hear an exhaust leak? Give it a baby run. I'm coming out of there. Is it? Yeah. Jeez. The O2 sensors.
Definitely the O2 sensors. But this thing is loud.
Oh my
that shit is bad though.
You have to get a quiet ass muffler.
For sure.
So sick, bro. That is so hard, bro, in a fucking truck.
Muffler you can find. And throw some cutouts. That way you can sound like this. You know? Well, in reality you only need one. Yeah. You think, Gator?
Loud.
Huh?
I know. Alright, off to AutoZone. We gotta go get O2 extender for the truck. Alright guys, so we came to oh, wrong way. Came to AutoZone, or not AutoZone, we're talking about Harbor Freight, to come get some Sawzall blades because we need to cut the exhaust because it won't come out all one piece. So get these Sawzall blades, then go to AutoZone, get the rest of the stuff we need, and back to the house to do it. Probably go to Henry's house to do it, and then boom, truck is done. And then we need to go get exhaust tomorrow. Right, Henry?
What?
Get exhaust done tomorrow?
Yeah.
So you get this one, the Admiral.
Medium
Just
metal.
kidding. And you got that shit on.
What do you think? Medium metal? Huh?
I don't know.
Thick metal.
Use this one, fool.
Right here. What about this one?
Thick metal, fool, right here.
What about these ones right here?
Right here, then you need that Angel some new ones.
Okay.
Let's go, that's it.
Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna go to AutoZone.
AutoZone, let's go.
O2 sensor extenders?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna take it off though, no?
Huh? Oh, let's see.
I think we'll be able to know. How you doing?
What's going on? I think we need some, yeah, extenders.
Oil?
Oh, we need some
Oh, yeah, I
oil.
could get the oil and what else?
I can't remember what kind though.
Oil and no 2 sensors.
I'll say like 520 or something.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Cap says 020.
Oh, 020? Damn, dude's on it. You sure?
If I'm not mistaken.
Should throw that on the truck? Oh, dang. We came here for exhaust. Alright, we're gonna get this oil. What we need, and we'll go back. Alright guys, I'm gonna continue the video since the truck isn't done. Continue on to today. we gotta go to the exhaust shop. Hopefully get some exhaust done. Let's get a cold start. I forgot what I was doing. I forgot to record it, but I took that one off. Loosen this one up. Just gotta unscrew it. Oh yeah. We gotta take these off because we have to extend them. So we have to cut it. My dumbass is going the wrong way on camera, so that's alright. So we have to cut these, extend them to make them longer to connect to our, where is it at? Oh, that's hot.
Oh, it's over there. I tucked it away.
Oh, it's up there somewhere. And we have to connect this one right here to that, but it's not gonna reach as of right now, so we have to get longer ones. So you buy a $100 part and have to cut it. It sucks. Alright guys, this is our little project. We have to cut the brand new O2 sensor I just bought because they're not long enough. Cut it, expose the wires,
Cut the old one.
cut the old one,
Make
make it longer
to make two.
boom, to make it one long one. And we just put this here, little shrink tube thingamajigger. Yep, that thing. Put that on there to keep it from exposing and touching each other. Just gotta twist that there together, guys. That going. Learn from my compa Henry over here.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, I don't know. I'm losing it, Henry. I'm losing it. You're supposed to be helping me.
Oh.
But you gotta, the tube shrunk on itself. You gotta go like this. There you go. Get it. There we go. Minor little mistake, guys.
Come over here. There's no wind.
Get under the truck. Put this in. Sorry for you guys jiggling around. A little more tighten. We're good. Now we just gotta plug it up. But this is gonna be too hard with you guys, so gotta put you guys away. Alright, well I found the other O2 sensor plug-in. Look how close that is right there. Let's go.
It's touching.
Yeah, I know. Look how it's touching. It's not even close. Alright, well we found that, hooked it up. Muffler shop we go. Take it easy. No kitty? Scat pack. White body scat pack. Alright guys, so we got to the muffler shop and they fucking told us just to pull right in real quick. Too much torque. Thank you.
Gotta get some weight reduction.
I know.
Alright, brother, so how long are you thinking?
It should take like about roughly about an hour.
An hour? Oh, cool.
Alright, sweet.
We'll do that with the food.
Sheesh. Good Chef Henry.
Get her done.
Get her done, son. Got it done. Let's check out how it sounds. Oh, it's all over there now.
I know.
Sounds good.
Sounds good as fuck. You smell the muffler breaking in? It's all over here now.
I know. Whoever rides over there is gonna hate life. They're gonna hate it.
When you're
turn your exhaust down.
when you're swinging that way, it's gonna be loud as fuck. Damn, that shit's stupid
That
loud.
nigga's like, my fucking ear, look. Ask him, Henry, compita. Tell him if it's loud. Ask him if it's loud, fool. Ask him, fool. Ask him.
¿Qué onda, compita? ¿Cómo se escucha? Stop.
That shit's loud as fuck on that side now.
I like it.
Tight.
Stupid loud.
Fucking loud. Still loud. Yeah, it's still loud in here, yeah. Sounds good though. Well, truck is complete now. I just need a tune. It's technically not complete then, right? Dang it. Alright, well, we are headed back home. We'll see you when we get there. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Like I said, the truck's done. We just need to get a tune. Headers installed. Not too hard. Only took us 5 hours. 4 hours, 5 hours, something like that. So that was pretty easy. Got the exhaust done. Now we just need a tune for the truck, and we'll be running A1, ready to go. Peace.